Welcome to Craftify AI Tutorials. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how easy it is to make a virtual business card, otherwise called a vCard. So you're going to start off by logging into your account. Come over here to this plus sign, which also when it's expanded, it looks like create. And then we're going to scroll down until we find virtual business card and click that. Now, automatically, we'll have on the left side the configure section and the right side the preview section. And automatically, we have gathered information from your business profile and automatically filled out a lot of these different links. Okay, so you'll probably find your business website, the company's name, etc., the email that's associated with your account, and the phone number. So what you can do is if any of this is incorrect or you'd like to create a virtual card for a different website, for example, or someone else's email, you can by all means you want to fill that in and you can edit at any point. You can also add a secondary email or secondary phone number. So if you have like a personal phone number and then the office number, things like that. Now you can also scroll down. You won't see a first name or a last name because first of all, your business profile is generic to your business and not to a person. So this is a great way that you can personalize your virtual business card for every person in your company. For example, I can put in my name, Haley, and my last name, Hodge. And then my job title and appointment URL to book directly with me, for example. You can also use this appointment URL for other things as well, for other links. Then we can choose address. And if you'd like to add the address, the business address, or a specific address related to this specific contact card, you can do that here. And then you'll scroll down to social links, so the last section. And automatically, if you've already added that to your business profile, you'll find them here. And any of the ones that you would like to add or personalize, you can do that as well. So for example, maybe this is for somebody else and you don't want to put just the Craftify your business Facebook, they could put a different Facebook link there. When you finish it, you've already filled out all of the relevant information. You can choose Create vCard. And in just a few seconds, you've got your virtual business card here. Now, you'll see the name, the business name. Then you've got your QR code that you can easily download in SVG or PNG form so you can print these. Up here on the right-hand side, you can click share and you can automatically have a way to share this with anybody in your books, and it will automatically copy the link as well if you'd like to send that by text or WhatsApp or by email. You can also click save. It will save it to your downloads. You'll have that in your downloads to be able to use that contact card. And then down below, you'll see the links that are associated with the vCard that we just created. So you'll have click this and it will call the person. You click this and it will send an email. Click this, it'll head to your website or whatever link that you've added above. And then below, also all of your socials are linked here as well. So you'll see that this is super useful for helping to spread your client list to all of your new leads, to get your contact directly into their phones, to make it really easy to connect on their end. Now let's talk about how to edit your vCard. It's really simple. So you've created your vCard. What we're going to do is come over here to contents. That's where we're going to be able to find all of the things that you've created here with Craftify AI. And then here you can see the vCard we've created just now. I'm going to go ahead and click continue. From there, you're going to see the vCard as it's made. And over here, you can choose configure. And from here, you can change any of the data that you have here. For example, I will change this name to someone else in the company. All right, and then I've kept everything else the same for now. You can also change social links, address, etc. But just for the sake of showing you how to do this, it's really simple. You're going to choose Update vCard. And from here, you'll have a Save Changes pop up. You can choose two different options. You can either create a new vCard, which will also generate a new QR code, or you can update the existing card that you have. This is the greatest part about this because if you've already printed a QR code and it's already on someone's business card, for example, you don't have to change that, you can just update the image, the information that's included in that QR code simply here. So we're going to choose update existing. It has changed all of the information here. On the preview side, you'll be able to see what you've done, what you've changed, and you'll also see that the QR code has remained the same. From here, again, you can share, save, download, and you can see all the details that you have in here for your card. The last aspect of your vCard is important to see the insights later on once you've seen some views, how many people have downloaded your card, etc. And you can do that by coming over to the Insights tab, which we find here. And under the business profile section, you're going to see how many people have downloaded the vCard that you've made. So this is an excellent way for you to be able to see all of your other analytics, everything you've posted to Instagram, for example, your website health, email campaigns, Google reviews, all of these things can be found right here in the Insights tab. But it's important that you can see your vCard downloads here.